Okay, today we'll start the next session. Just opening the Word file, right click open. Okay, okay. Now we'll write today we'll write some text and then format on the top of the text. Okay, okay. I have some data in my document. Okay, in this document, yeah. Suppose by default the copy paste. Okay, let's see copy paste now. Okay, just doing copy, just copy, right click. You need to do right click. Okay, this is the right click window. Right click, copy. I want to paste somewhere else. Right click, paste. Okay, this is the first one, copy paste. Keep source formatting, match destination formatting, keep text only. Okay, anyhow, source format means whatever the this format, everything will come here. Okay, suppose this will be, let's change something like Vardhana. Okay, let's do copy paste here. This one, just copy. I just did copy. Now I did paste. Right click, paste. Okay, this is the source formatting. Okay, copy text only. Let something will change. You see, whatever the default font, it changed. You see, it changed. If we want to do redo, Control Z. You see in the there, Control Z. Click here. Okay, it is again adding. Okay, Control V. Okay, paste. If you change any for destination formatting, is same or keep text only, keep source formatting. Okay, okay. Next thing, copy paste. It looks clear now. You can copy anything. Okay, not only this text, you can copy any image. You can copy any image, paste there. Copy. Where you want to paste, somewhere here. Paste. You can paste the image also. Okay. You can reduce the size of the image. Everything. Okay, image thing you can, we'll discuss later. Okay. Next thing is font size. This is the font name, Vardhana. You can change the font name like whatever you wish, Arial Black or something like that. Celebri. You can put any font. Okay. For this, if you want to highlight anything, bold. It will be highlight. It looks different than that. Okay. If you want to highlight with the italic, it will come. If you want to do underline any font, any any line, this one. You want to do this one, strike to any font, it will be there. Okay, next thing is you want to do font size. I want to increase this font size, increase this to 72. As you wish, you can put. Okay, okay. uh, in your physics or chemistry you will see like that, something like H2SO4. Okay, you want me to take 2 come down. This is the superscript, it will be small. Subscript, it will go top. You see subscript, it will go for. Okay, this is the format you want to mix, or else first, no, somewhere you want to write. It is going automatically. If it did not go, you can go there and then do that. Okay, superscript. Okay, first to second h2, you want to go to down display like this. Okay, this is a case, uppercase, lowercase. Uppercase is nothing but capital letters. All these are uppercase letters. All these are lowercase, small letters. Okay, second time ABCDs. If you want to convert this to uppercase full, you can go to uppercase. All data convert to uppercase. If you want to convert entire this thing to lowercase, lowercase. Sentence case is nothing but whenever the full stop is after full stop, every first word, first not word, first character. Okay, first character should be capitals. Okay, that is called sentence case. Let's see whether how it is. You can put sentence case. You see, Y came caps and then M came caps. Okay, this is called sentence case. Uppercase, lowercase, sentence case. Capitalize each word. Okay, first C capitalize, A capitalize, first one. You want to capitalize. You see, first word in the word, first character will be capital letter. Every. Okay, you can put anything like this. Toggle case, something. Yeah, first character small, remaining are big characters. Okay, you want to do anything. Sentence case. Let's keep sentence case. Okay. Okay. If you want to highlight any text, something like which color you want, which color you want, you can put any color. This is highlighting background color. Okay. Text background. If you want to make the text as a color, this is the text color. Automatically black, you can keep anything. This is the text color. This is the text background. Okay. If you don't understand this concept, this you will not understand the HTML. Okay, there is a the concept wise the whatever the word concept and then HTML concept is similar, but the way HTML coding is different. Here everything is built in. Okay, HTML you need to put everything in text. Okay, same superscript, subscript, everything is present in HTML. Okay. Okay, in the HTML session you will see everything. Okay, how to do the same formats, everything in the HTML also. Okay. Okay, next thing is this is done. I think this font session is done. Next thing is paragraph. This is the full font session. Okay, double strike through superscript, subscript, outline, small caps. Let's try. These are more. Okay, small caps. It is a preview, it will be like this, something. Okay, control Z, just I'm just reformatting, going back. You'll see so many options here. Okay, you can put everything. Character spacing, By default, each character by character there is so this is the space. If you want to increase or decrease the character space, you can decrease character spacing normal. You can see preview here spacing. Okay, you see space is going. You can just verify this is anyhow we will not touch this. Okay, normally generally this only the main thing. Okay, you can practice one by one. Okay, next thing, paragraph. Paragraph is nothing but all this section we can consider as a paragraph. Okay, um, until full stop we can make it as a sentence. We can this is called sentence until full stop from starting, and then until new line comes. Okay, new empty line comes. We can say this as a paragraph. Okay, okay. In this paragraph, the you want to align all the entire thing. Okay, okay. Next thing is Vardhana. Just 10 something I have kept. Okay, the entire paragraph I kept the font. Okay, next thing is I want to move this paragraph to some extent. Indent, just move right indent. This is the right indent, right. Increase, just increase. Okay, just move. You can move like this. Okay, I'm just going back. Okay, next thing is okay. Okay, for example, you are writing a leave letter. Leave letter to your teacher or principal. Okay, you just do from will write something, your name, address, class, study, from not from na from will not come, just to the class teacher or principal or everything, it will come. At the end what you do, yours faithfully. Some student and all, this faithfully whatever this thing, whether it will, it should be right aligned, it should be in this place. Now we usually write correct. Just in this case you need to go to align right. This is the align right align. It will go to like this. Okay, okay, shift enter. If you do shift enter, it will be coming very close to this. Okay, if you do delete, shift enter, keep shift button and then press enter, it will come like this. Yes. Delete, shift enter, delete, shift enter. Okay, this yours faithfully, this section is coming, should come on the right side, correct. Yeah, for this you need to put align right. Okay, you need to do align left, it will come here. Align right, it will come from right side. If you do your right anything, it will increase here only. Okay, this is align justify center. Align center, let's see center how it's, this is a center align. Okay, any ads that is coming on the in the Google they will put everything align center. Okay, okay, line spacing, each space by space you want to keep how much size. By default 1.5, you want to increase 2.0. See, space will get increase. If you want to decrease 1.0, it will come like this. Okay. Instead of shift enter, you can try like this also. Okay. Okay. Each line by line, you want to how much space you want to give. You can put add space before paragraph. This is the paragraph now. There is some space, big space. By default it will come. Remove space after paragraph. Something you can keep. Let's see. This is entire paragraph you want to highlight. Entire paragraph it applies if you select or not. Okay. First time I selected, I did like this. Second time whatever the paragraph I did, see everything it is come. Whereas here you need to select everything and then you need to keep okay whatever color you want. Okay, here it is different. You can put everything in the paragraph. Control Z. Okay. Okay. Next thing is styles, font style. This is font name. Okay. Font style is italic. There are different similar kind of styles. Okay. These are called style section. Let's see. Leave letter. I want to put some. These are different font styles. Silibri. Okay. So many colors it will be there. I don't know why it is not coming. Okay. These are the very important thing. Okay. Okay. Suppose this section. mm, let's assume I am preparing one notebook for something like anything. Suppose English. I am preparing one poem. I have something thought in my mind. I am preparing writing some poem or something. Okay. Okay. First thing in my mind that should be introduction. Introduction. Okay, this should be side heading. Side heading for this one. Heading one. Let's keep. Okay, introduction. Next thing is okay. Authors. About authors. Okay. I am keeping heading one. See if you click here, it will select. It will highlight. Okay. If you click here, it is normal. Okay. Normal style. This is heading style. Next thing is if I want to keep this as a description. Something I am just keeping. Last at the end, conclusion. Conclusion. Heading one. Okay, in the description I want to keep some other sub description. Okay, I want to keep some sub description. I want to keep heading 2. Why can't we put heading 2? That is fine. I can put heading to this one. Okay, under this sub description there is another thing, another sub description also, something like, okay, I want to keep this sub description inside this sub description heading 3. Okay, you can select, it will highlight where which header it is, which style it is. Okay, everything. Okay, now I have kept all the things, all the side headings and all. Now I want to create index. Okay, where which page the introduction is coming, which page the about authors is coming, which page this description is coming, which page sub description coming, which page this, all I want to create index. Okay, by default we have go to reference menu, and then table of contents, select which one you want. Okay, yeah, index of that book, table of contents will come. Okay, introduction is in first page, about authors is in second page, description is in second page, sub description is in third page. You see indent. Okay, this is the heading 1, whereas this is the heading 1, this is the heading 2, this is the heading 3. Okay, like that, whatever the sub descriptions, subheadings will come in this indent. Okay, this is conclusion section. Okay, if I want to go to this, these are hyperlinks. You see, control plus click, you see on the top, control plus click. Okay, to go to follow this, press control button and then click, it will directly go to here. Control plus click, control click, it is directly go to conclusion section. Okay, go top, control click, sub description, you can go to directly there. Okay, this is called table of contents section. Okay, this headings not only helpful to identify this paragraph, but it will be helpful to create table of contents. Okay, here this is the main importance of headings. Okay, here. Okay, next thing is find. I want to search any word, suppose formatting, how many places it is there, just copy. I want to do find, paste, it will show where it is there, it is there, it is here. Okay, you can do find next. You finished the searching. Okay, replace, instead of format I want to replace any word. You can replace all means all places wherever formatting is there, it will replace all. Okay, 7 replacements happened. Okay, 7 places it was happened. See, wherever DSS is there, earlier it was formatting. Okay, then go to means it will just go to the particular page, enter page number 5, go to, it will go to, so you see page number 5 came, page number 4, go there, page number 4, section, enter section name, something like index, somewhere you can put section and then click next, it will go. Okay, go to, you can put anything. By default now, how to get control F, Control F will go, will get this find and replace box shortcut. Okay. For copy any word, copy anything, you select and then Control C, copy, Control C. For the paste, Control V. Okay. Shortcuts. These should be the daily use. These things we use daily. Okay. In our wherever it is, the Control C, Control V, Control F, all places. Not only Microsoft Word. You you can find in so many documents similar kind of shortcuts. Okay, these are common shortcuts for all the places, entire Windows operating system. Okay. Okay, now what I did, I have formatted something called um, something called strike through, and then something like this. I want to keep the same format in this here also. You just select this one, just select format pointer and then keep here. See, whatever the format is there, whatever kind of thing it will apply here. Okay, this is called format pointer option. This is very important thing. Okay, suppose this one I want to format say a similar kind of thing here, somewhere here. It will format similar kind of thing. Celebrate all bold italic. It will come similar. Celebrate all bold italic. Same. It looks similar. Okay, I want to format same like header. This header. Just to select one format pointer here. See, it will also come heading one. Similar kind of thing. Okay, suppose it's already headers, already some data added. Then go to update table. Update entire table. You need to select this. Whatever the newly added thing, it came here. Okay. I think today this home menu has been completed. Tomorrow next session will go to insert. Okay, insert session. Here we'll go to hyperlinks and all kind of things. Insert table, hyperlink, cover page. Okay, so many things. Okay, insert object, insert signature, day to time, stamp, and everything. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay.